Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a extrude cut command is discussed here. And guys, Solidworks lecture 27 is discussed here. And Solidworks all 3D commands learn easily, explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay. Extrude cut is a very important command Solidworks, and this command is very useful and helpful for create a new design. Okay, this 3D command is learn here easily. Okay, at first open a Solidworks software. Okay, this design is create here already because this is a use a some extrude command is discussed here. Okay, extrude cut command is discussed here, and some at first draw a any geometry, any this face, yeah, any. Okay, at first this face is a draw a any a sketch. Okay, this is a normal, and create a. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this body is a showing here, this is okay. Okay, at first this face is a create here. Okay, this is a correct. Draw a any circle, this is a this. Okay, 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 this is a this sketch a normal, and draw a any. Okay, this point, and dimension is a diameter is okay 70 is correct. Okay, okay, and exit, and some feature is use a extrude cut, and this extrude cut is a preview is showing here, and this is a through all. Okay, select here all, select all, through all is correct, and select a, and one point is also flip side to cut, means this body is a cut here. Okay, this is a okay, this body is cut here. Okay, if and again the okay, this is a edit here. Okay, edit this body a flip side to cut, uncheck here, and then this body is cut here. Okay, this is a okay, this body is cut here. Okay, okay, this is a perfect showing here, and this body is a this face is a select here, and normal. Okay, and draw a any. Okay, this is a drawing a this, and also this is a okay, not okay, and exit, and some extrude cut command is discussed here, and this is a correct. Okay, preview is showing here, this is a, and click. Okay, this is a cut here. Okay, this is a cutting here. Okay, okay, this face is also select here, and this is a normal, and select a okay, this is a slot, and slot command, slot is a this is slot. Okay, and exit, and use a extrude cut command is okay, this is a okay, this is up to next means this body is a select a this surface. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is this extrude cut. Okay, this extrude cut, click a command up to next. Up to next means okay, up to next, okay, correct, and up to surface, okay, this is a up to surface means click this surface, okay, and click this, okay, this face, again extrude, okay, and click up to surface means check here, this face is select here and this is a up to surface, okay, and click okay, this is a cut here, okay, this is a perfect, okay, and also this face is a select here and exit and okay, normal, and click a rectangle, a small rectangle is create here, okay, blue color and both is a blue color, this is a okay, this is a perfect, not showing here, and also this is a delete here, and a circle is create a better, this is a perfect, okay, and exit, and extrude cut is a generate here up to next, up to surface, and okay, all is correct, okay, both side through all, both side means both side is a correct, okay, then click okay, this is a okay, this is a perfect, and this face is a also create a okay, this is a correct, and okay, this is a circle is drawing here, okay, exit, okay, and extrude cut is okay, this is a drawing a this, okay, this is a correct, okay, this is a cut here, and also this body is delete here, okay, this is a delete, okay, which is also delete, okay, this is a nice looking here, extrude cut command is discuss here, okay, okay. Guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. And guys, next lecture is coming soon, okay, okay guys, okay guys, thank you.